As the health and safety of workers becomes increasingly important due to enforcement of the Laboratory Safety Acts since April 1, 2006, the number of various devices for removing harmful substances is increasing significantly. Especially, various nano-sized powders are harmful to workers and cause a contamination and safety accidents such as dust explosion, since they are dispersed in the air easily when it's put into a solution. POLIMIX of K&S Company has most power scattering and can fundamentally block dust explosion or contamination of workspaces, as it sucks powders like a vacuum cleaner using suction power generated when operating the device, rather than pouring powders into solution. Also, it is a new conceptual dispersion and emulsification device, killing 3 birds with 1 stone, that can obtain an outstanding dispersion effect as it directly disperses powders into liquid. POLIMIX of K&S Company is a device designed to be most suitable for mixing of powder and liquid with low specific gravity by combining the power suction device into inline mixer with a lot of advantages. When the rotor inside the chamber of POLIMIX circulates liquid at high speed by rotating fast, putting minute clearance with the stator, the sound pressure generates inside the chamber. At this time, when the power intake connected to the chamber opens, it directly disperses powder to liquid by sucking it like a vacuum cleaner. It disperses perfectly without aggregating by repeating dispersion by pumping and circulating until the process ends. It is an innovative, groundbreaking mixer of the process doing suction and dispersion quickly, only with the simple structure without an additional vacuum pump. Most powders require high dispersion power and time to disperse aggregated powders again due to its aggregation characteristic when putting into liquid. However, POLIMIX of K&S Company can also reduce the cleaning time by significantly decreasing the entire power dispersion time and noticeably increasing the dispersion efficiency. Furthermore, POLIMIX can also be used in the dispersion process of powders with relatively high specific gravity. It also can be used more conveniently by optionally connecting a hopper or a tank to the powder intake. It is convenient to disassemble and assemble and clean with hygienic design that can be cleaned in one place. It is simple to maintain so anyone can use it easily. In particular, it can be cleaned more easily if it is pre-cleaned that circulates washing water before disassembling and cleaning. POLIMIX of K&S Company can be used very effectively in processes using powder scattering a lot due to low specific gravity or with aggregating character when putting into liquid directly. It can be used in emulsification and dispersion processes of cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, and foods. It is a device with an advantage in difficult processes such as fumed silica aerosol, alumina, zirconia, carbon black powder, etc. Moreover, pharmaceutical factories under construction currently has more requirements of EU GMP manufacturing sanitary environment beyond the KGMP. This also applies to not only pharmaceuticals, but also other fields, including foods, chemicals, electronic materials, cosmetics, etc. POLIMIX is the best device satisfying these strict conditions. Next-level technology born with excellent technical prowess. Masterpiece of emulsifiers and dispersers ranking with global devices. It is POLIMIX of K&S Company.